Good afternoon. It is the last day of the week, month, and quarter, March the 31st. Big day, unusual day. We don't see all three of these coming together at the same time very often. We'll start with our customary disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Okay, we came into today's market basically wanting to sell 65s to 70s. That was sell. And we were hoping to buy 57s to 50s. That was our buy. We had to move that up. First trade that kicked off +4. We thought we came in today with the idea of being long. Mean green trade +4. This is a legitimate sell right there. Maybe +1. And then we do this. Before lunch, all day long, into the lunch hour, higher was our guess. And we actually did go higher. And then right there we have Nancy's infamous tweezers. And that's a pattern that we do like. Retest failure. And as slow as the E-mini is right now, that retest failure is a pretty good trade for us. And the market sold. And then right now we're drifting higher. And you can see once again that the big boys are supporting the market by buying futures, trying to get a positive close. Yesterday's close in the E-mini I think was 64.75, so pretty good chance we'll close at 64.75 or better. The mode happens to be right there at 64.25. Looking at our F1 screen, if I can find it, there it is. Inside day, not much going on. Looking at our F2 screen, definitely a P, volume over time, so it's not going to be too hard to get up to 64, 65, right in this area. On and end of the week, end of the month, end of the quarter close, you can't read a lot into it. This is just the big guys, the large institutions, manufacturing a close that they like. So we'll have a clean slate on Monday, on April the 3rd, and we'll have to come back and reassess it. But right now everything is to the buy side. The bias and the structure is to the upside. And if you're looking for a trade, 61 to 59 would be buy 1. 55, 57 would be buy 2. We have a big number coming on Monday, ISM manufacturing. PMI manufacturing and construction spending. The focus will be ISM manufacturing. And some new probably horrible study on or piece of news on Trump that I think most people are just discounting. Everything is pointed higher right now, so 69 to 71, 74, 76. I just hope that Trump can get half done of what he said he was going to do. And I think the two big things he has to get done are it's got to stop this illegal immigration and cut taxes. He's behind the scenes. People don't know this, but there are lots of rules and regulations being rolled back right now. And there are lots of studies being done about what can be cut to help and aid and make business more efficient and our economy more business friendly. So underneath the surface where he can do things, he is doing it. Stuff that require passage of law, he's having trouble with that. And it's not the Democrats that are causing him a problem, it's the Republicans. So we'll see how it works out. What I want are less rules and regulations and less taxes, so less money goes to D.C. so they can't spend as much as they spend. That's what I'm all for. I think Ronald Reagan said it best. You got to starve them. Okay, lower high, lower low on the note. Favors the sell come Monday. We did have a short squeeze today in the 30-year. Looking at definitely a P right here. So we're in our normal situation. Best resistance is 24 to 28. Maybe at 20 right now. So right now, based on no news, 19s to 23s sell 1. 27 to 31 sell 2. On the buy side, the breakout came from 13, so 9 to 13 buy 1. 1 to 5 buy 2. We have news on Monday that can move the markets. Looking at the 30-year, which was stronger than the note today. Didn't pick up a lot in the note in the knob spread. It wasn't there. So right here, 28 to the buck, number 1. 3 to 7 sell 1. And 11 to 15 sell 2. I don't think we can break it out on Monday. I don't know how the news is going to go. Some of the manufacturing news has been coming in. On the manufacturing side, the numbers have generally been stronger than forecast. On the service side and some of the other indicators haven't been as strong. So the manufacturing sector looks like it's doing a little bit better than the general forecast. Okay, we had a breakout here at 19, so 16 to 20s, number 1. We'll make 9 to 13 by 1, just kind of getting this high volume area. And 29 to 01 by 2. Looking at gold, it's become a great contract for us. We were looking for close around 1250 on the last update, and that's close to where we are right now. Lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. Our F2 screen. Um, 1250 is the break in the market, so it stands right here. We've got a P, looks a little bit higher, so 53.55 sell 1, 58.60 sell 2. On the buy side, I'm going to say 45 to 47 because we closed off the highs, but it might take a 50 to get in, just depending on what happens over the weekend. Then 40, 42. But we had some short covering into the close of the quarter today, and that tells me that the market is a little short. And looking at crude, strong day in crude. Move out of the middle and moving up. So our 47.52 call is where we are right now. And we got this low volume number up here at 51.92. F1 says find a place to buy it. We had an F split today. And we went up higher, and we got a very, very strong close. So 75 to the buck, sell 1. 51 1/4, 51.50, sell 2. And 50 even, 50.22, buy 1. And 49.50, 49.75, buy 2. Okay, in the European economy, their model, inflation is coming in much higher than desired and forecast. And that's a problem that the EU is going to have to address. That will tend to take their currency down too if it keeps up. And I don't know what their solution will be for it. Historically, it's been to tighten, raise interest rates, but their economy is fragile enough they probably won't do that. Plus, with the ramifications of Brexit, it's almost, I don't see how they could raise interest rates. So here we are at 107. Looks like 40 plus, and then maybe 10 minus right here with a lower high and a lower low on the F1 screen. Find a place to sell it. And don't have a lot of range, but we definitely are dealing with a B, especially if you put them all together. So we're poised to break right now. So 25.35, sell 1. 45.55, sell 2. If we can't break it in London, if this low holds up right here, we probably don't want to be short at 25. We'd like to see the market higher in London. Fail to take out 25.35, then get short. That would be the way to play it. Unfortunately, stops below 107 is the first bit of support, and then 106.75 is buy 2. And that's it for this March the 31st, end of the week, end of the month, end of the quarter. Y'all have a great weekend. I plan on doing it myself. I will see you bright and early Monday morning. And I'm out of here.